AhhhSoNeo saying hello. Hope you're remembering to choose happiness. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos where they're all doing their perfume collections, summer fragrance hauls, top summer fragrances, etc. And like everybody else on YouTube, I'm so influenced because I love perfume and I cannot wear it, but that doesn't stop me from wanting to share my perfume collection. And if you don't get that this is for fun, I can't help you. But you want to see my perfume collection? That is it. This is just a fun video, guys. My husband is very allergic to fragrances, so I cannot wear any, but these are the few that I've managed to stash away and hide for when he's out traveling. So Chanel Coco Noir, Tom Ford Lost Cherry, what is this? Montgalant? What is this? Oh, sorry. Flower Bomb by Victor Rolf. Oh, one I'm actually wearing right now, Tom Ford Black Orchid, which I love. And yes, I have a lot of samples because then if I have to throw them out, then it's not as painful. I've thrown out perfumes. I know, hard to believe. I believe that's Montgalant by Guerlain. And then of course, Louis Vuitton samples, because I love those. I'd also like to give those away, and a couple other samples. So just me taking the mickey out of this with my sad little perfume collection, but that's it. Guys, hope you remember, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make. You get to make every day. I should be back making videos soon. I had a chemical peel, so I can't show my face. I'm still choosing happiness though.